Hi there. Let's talk about grapes. I like grapes. What are these? Grapes. These are grapes. Do you like grapes? I love grapes. How many grapes do you see? 1, 2. 2 bunches. Bunches. 1 bunch. 2 bunches. 2 bunches of grapes. This bunch is purple. Purple grapes. This bunch is green. Green grapes. A bunch of purple grapes. A bunch of green grapes. Now we're going to wash our grapes in water. First, I wash my hands with soap and water. Next, I wash my grapes in water. This is a cupboard. A cupboard. I open the cupboard. I take out a bowl. This is my bowl. I put my grapes in the bowl. My clean grapes are in the bowl. I eat the grapes one by one. The grapes are delicious. I love grapes. This is my fridge. I open my fridge. I take out grape juice. This is my grape juice. I drink my grape juice. My grape juice is delicious. Do you like grapes? Which grapes do you like? Purple grapes? Green grapes? Or do you like both purple and green grapes? Today we learned about grapes. See you soon!